I want to make a video, but I don't know what to make it on. So since I'm contemplating upgrading to the 1.4 85, let me just check out Manny's video real quick.
Here in my hands I have two of the most sought after portrait lenses in the entire EMON lineup. Got the 85 1.4, aka my bread and butter, and I have the 85 1.8. This lens is $1,200 cheaper than the 80.
Hold up. I know what I could do. What's up everybody? My name is Manny Hernandez. If you're new here, I do photography, behind the scenes, photo shoots, cinematic stuff, tutorials, anything related into that criteria. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright, so as you saw, these people have the benefit and the money to purchase some of those things, especially when you want to display your settings and you just have to write it down. And a lot of times they can't see what you're actually seeing. And I don't have the money to buy a monitor to record in screen of my camera monitor, which I would love to do. But I thought of something. Sorry. I thought of something. I do this in my photo shoots a lot, especially for Instagram. I go like this, do it behind the scenes. A budget way to record your monitor. So we're gonna use the phone, but for in this case, instead of using the regular camera app phone, because if you're an iPhone user or even an Android user, you know when you're exposed to something, you move it, it recomposes the exposure of what it sees. So I don't like that for this case, but for this case we're gonna use the Moment app, which you probably heard of the lenses, but they have an application that you can control everything for when it comes to photography or video. So in this case, if you want to buy all the features, control the ISO and all of that stuff, it's only $5, which is not bad, because you can control your aperture as well. In this case, to make it easier, I got the phone holder with the Manfrotto for mobile users that want to vlog. That's good. And the magic arm. Now this is yeah, if you don't have a Sony and you want to record the viewfinder, this is helpful as well. So if you have a Nikon, mainly if you're on DSLR. I already have it lined up, as you can see. Now all I have to do is just secure my position. All right. So bam. All right, how can I go back to my settings? Okay. ISO, let's bring that baby down. Look at that. Where's my shutter speed? All right. So look at this. That's perfect, right? You can see what I'm doing. Take a picture. I think there's a good benefit to this, especially with this app. If you want to demonstrate in camera, you know, view, this is a big advantage. And it's straight in your phone, so all you have to do, just airdrop it if you have an iPhone. So yeah, that's how you screen. That's how you screen record your monitor, your camera monitor on a budget. So even if you have a DSLR, this is a big plus. So right now, you see it one more time, and that's what you're seeing in that. What you're seeing in the video, that's what I'm seeing in camera. Like I exposed it to the way that my camera sees it. So I highly suggest this app over the iPhone app. Is a plus. It's only $5. So if you're traveling and you use the Moment lenses, that's a plus as well. So you probably have this app already if you do. But if you never thought about it this way, to use this way, bang for your buck. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's different from what the other videos I put, but it's informative for anybody that wants to record the screen. I might try this out whenever I have another shoot. I'm going to be traveling soon, so there'll be a video after this regarding what I'm going to take, because I want to travel as light as possible. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell button, and see you in the next one. Peace. But peace.